is Harry Doll's refrain. And we're just getting straight to the issue of open access and everything. Coming back to where I left yesterday. 2003, we were in a situation of power shortage. 2013, 10 years down the line, enough of power, no buyers. Why? Because there's no money. I am broke, though I'm one of the best utilities. Everybody else is broke. They have no money to buy power. So what has happened in Maharashtra? 2,000 megawatts, over 2,000 megawatts of thermal power is stranded, not because there is no fuel. They can import coal and sell it at 4 rupees 10, 4 rupees 15. Is stranded because nobody has the money to buy. So now what happens? Oh, इतना बड़ा generation capacity फंस गया. अब क्या करें इसका? Nobody has money to buy. If they buy, and there are enough of people sitting here, I don't want to point them or quote them, जिनके 500, 600, 400 crore रुपए फंसे हुए supplied power, but no payment. Now what do? Open access. Great, brilliant idea. Let's skim off these customers who are paying, which is industry, and let's supply to them directly. वहाँ से payment आएगा. In Maharashtra, for example, the paying industry, the paying consumer, that is malls, multiplexes and industries, gives us 10,000 crores every year more than my cost of supply, which is used to subsidize agriculture. And please note, 2 crore consumers who consume between 0 to 100 units, the poorer. So 10,000 crores I collect extra from here and pass it to there, pass it to the poor. So what do you have? A business opportunity of 10,000 crores. It's a business opportunity. So everybody said, let's get open access. That's the cream we need to skim. So open access ka dum-dum shuru hua. It took us 2 years to tell the regulator this 10,000 crore business has not come because they are Steve Jobs or they are Newtons who have created a new business opportunity. This is a business opportunity has been created by us for the poor and the farmers. You may hate the farmers, but let me tell you, I do a little bit of farming. हर साल पैसे lose ही किया. I've never made money. So I'm not into the philosophy of whether farmers should be subsidized or not. Forget it. But the issue is, this 10,000 business they wanted to skim off. It took us 2 years to tell the regulator, okay, somebody reads the law whichever way he wants to read. Then came the open access surcharge. Because we told them, okay, open access करना है ना, why don't you take my farmers and do open access? नहीं sir, farmer नहीं लेंगे, हमको तो वो Westin होटल चाहिए, Marriott चाहिए, वो दीजिए जहाँ 10 रुपए की बिजली जल रही है, वो 1 रुपए वाला मैं थोड़ी लूँगा. So open access, when the open access surcharge came, then everybody said, अरे ये तो बहुत फालतू काम आ गया. So then they struck up another brilliant idea. The next brilliant idea, you know what has come now? Let's separate the wires and the supply business. Wow, very brilliant. Open access तो हुआ नहीं. अब वायर और इसको सप्लाई को सेपरेट कर दो. सप्लाई सेपरेट करने के बाद में वायर मेरी और मेरा पेइंग कस्टमर ही लेके जाओगे, मतलब मेरा जूता और मेरा ही सर. अरे वाह, ये कहां से नया धंधा निकाला? This is nothing but open access once again. Now what are you trying to do? Another clever game that's coming. Now please don't blame me, because in this country everybody is blamed for running the grand conspiracy theory, you know, that there is a grand conspiracy. I also used to say, what is this grand conspiracy theory? But I have sort of now become a believer of this grand conspiracy theory. So now what are they trying to say? Okay, wires. Wires to depreciated hai. For example, Maharashtra, the wires business has been built up over 50 years since the state was formed. उसका depreciated value हमारा regulator बोलता है साहब 5-10 पैसे ही है. वाह, it's been made on public money, so 5-10 पैसे पे मुझे बिजली व्हील करने दो उसके ऊपर. नया जो कस्टमर को देना है वो हम देंगे. आप क्या करेंगे? जनरेटर डायरेक्टली इंडस्ट्री, होटल और 5 स्टार वालों को देंगे. फार्मर एंड पुअर वो आप संभालिए वायर वालों ने. उसमें तो कोई आ रहा है क्या? इज समबडी रेडी टू सप्लाई टू देम? नो. व्हाट इज दिस वायर्स एंड दिस थिंग बिजनेस? नो, लेट अस लुक एट द बिजनेस इटसेल्फ. Is it anybody's case that generators are making money? No. In 10 years, the one achievement that we have done is got the power sector out of crisis and put the banks into disaster. आज हर बैंक खड़ा हुआ है saying कि साहब पावर स्टेशंस लग गए, पैसे फंस गए. रोज एक, there was a time when I joined this sector, I would be standing before the generators कि भाई बिजली दे दो. Today I have generators standing in front of me with the bankers holding their hand. Banker को साथ लेके आते हैं. ये सब बैंकर है और मैं जनरेटर हूं, इसके पैसे फंसे हुए हैं और मेरी इक्विटी फंसी हुई है, अब मैं क्या करूं? So now they are starting new games. Let us get this out. My issue is very simple. Two, three things need to happen if you want to sort out this sector. Let's not play games with each other. Open access will not take off and has not taken off. Whatever, you may read the act this way. It says, you may do this in this, whichever way you want to read that. A lot of regulators, sorry for being a little aggressive about regulators, some read it with their conscience, some read it with their mind, but people are reading the law, taking us nowhere. Two, three issues need to be sorted out. First thing that you need to sort out is the skewed tariff structure. If you have the guts as bureaucrats or regulators, please come out and do that. This skewed tariff structure is not taking you anywhere. You can't be selling power to agriculture at 1 rupee and selling power to industry and commercial at 10 rupees. It can't happen. It can't last. You'll have to find a method, but when you find a method, please look at the overall situation, what we are telling the regulator. Government's tax collection is limited. So if you want government to subsidize agriculture directly, there is a limit because government can't tax beyond a point. So it has to come from within the sector. And agriculture, if you ask me, is still not in a state where you can say, oh, agriculture should be on commercial lines, I'll give you on commercial rates. It can't. We can't go back to the PL for 70 days. Agriculture will have to be supported. The poor has to be supported. Let's not load the poor because finally energy is a limited resource. You can't say that your child won't study because you don't have the money to pay while I will run the air conditioners. No, you'll have to allow him to run that one light. Otherwise they'll enter your home. So poor and agriculture will have to be supported. How do you remove the skewed tariff? That is one. That's the first thing that we all need to sit down and address. Second thing, the biggest problem that has come in this sector is the regulatory framework that we have created. Now, yesterday, somebody remarked from here that this act, when we made, we didn't realize what had happened. And somebody remarked from the audience, this speaks volumes about our nation, how we are framing laws. I was tempted to intervene, but then people would say, Ajay Mehta, the fool treads in where angels don't go. But I said, let me tell you one thing. The act has not gone wrong. The act is correct. It's one of the best pieces of legislation that we've had. What's gone wrong is how we are adjudicating upon the act. Please remember, every right must have a remedy. Unfortunately, your regulatory network has no remedy. Today, if I have a complaint against the regulator, where do I go? People will say, no, you're blaming institutions. You're spoiling the names of institutions. Names are as good as what you are. A mirror does not make you look more beautiful than you are because the mirror is from Belgium. No. Where do I go if I want to make a complaint? I have nowhere to go. Where do I go if I want the regulator to be appraised? If the 90% of the decisions of the regulator are being overturned by the higher courts, where do I go? If 90% of my decisions are in doubt by the CAG, I'll be sent home. There is an audit on my decisions. Is there a judicial audit? No. Yes, within the judicial system, there is a system where the collegium or the judges scrutinize the judgments, and there is some method of telling the judges you're right or wrong. But here, a man comes for 5 years and there he is. Like it or not. Where is the system of review? My fundamental issue, which I have been raising with Government of India is regulators should get 2 years, review, give them another 2 years. See the change. You can't have anybody who is there for 5 years, no scrutiny, no audit, nowhere, no remedy. He is there, does what he likes. At the end of it, where do you get? So you get these open access, you get things like wires and this thing being separated, regulatory assets. Are ye kya hai regulatory asset? 4,000-6,000 crore. I fortunately don't have a regulatory asset, but I keep hearing from my colleagues in the distribution sector, 6,000 crore ka regulatory asset ho gaya. What is this? Means you recognize an expense, but you're saying, no, you can get away without paying it. Who will pay and when will you pay? Why should I pay? If tomorrow I get transferred to Delhi, why should I pay for a regulatory asset which somebody else has used? I'll go in a PIL and say, sorry, I am not paying. Ask my predecessor who used that. It's the kind of concepts that we are bringing about. Wind. All right. Look at the extreme things that are happening. Wind, yes. Promote renewable. Wind is also in open access now. मतलब आप कर क्या रहे हैं? Are you trying to promote wind? Or are you trying to promote the promoter? हाउ कैन यू हैव विंड इन ओपन एक्सेस? इस होटल का अगर विंड बंद हो गया तो अंधेरे में बैठने को तैयार है क्या होटल वाले? नो. सोलार, एनीबडी हु कम्स टू मी, सर मेरा होटल है उसकी छत पे सोलार लगाना है, आई हैव सेड नो इन महाराष्ट्र, नहीं लगाने दूंगा. क्यों? मैं पहले झोपड़पट्टी पे लगाऊं. क्यों? वहां 2 रुपए की बिजली है, नहीं परवड़ती. यहां लगाओगे तो पैसा बनता है. वो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर वी टॉकिंग ऑफ? द होल प्रॉब्लम हैज बिकम that nowhere are we putting the consumer at the center. We have only put promoters in the center, and that is where the problem is. Unless we put the consumer at the center, look at the skewed tariff structure, look at the regulatory structure, none of this, the open access and opens and wires and things is going to take you ahead. Thank you so much.